So for today, we are going to compare Docker and Proxmox, which is the two virtualization technologies. So first, Docker is a containerization platform for lightweight, isolated application deployment. And the pros of it is portable, has a efficient resource storage or usage, and compatibility with CI and CD. And the cons of it is it has only limited control over the hardware. While in Proxmox, it is a hypervisor platform designed for virtual machines and containers. And it has full virtualization, powerful management interface, and strong clustering capabilities. The cons of it is it has more resource intensive compared to Docker. In comparison, choose Docker if you need lightweight, container-based deployment, and choose Proxmox if you need to manage full virtual machines. And in conclusion, for app deployment and CI/CD, go with Docker. For virtualization and infrastructure management, choose Proxmox.